Welcome. In today's guide, I'll be walking you through the quick and simple steps to mark a chat as unread on the WhatsApp app for PC, thanks to the new update. This handy feature makes it easier to stay organized, especially if you want to remind yourself to reply to a message later without losing track of it. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can see your list of conversations. Once you're in, you'll notice all your chats neatly lined up on the left side of the screen. Next, scroll through your chat list and find the conversation you want to mark as unread. This could be a personal chat with a friend, a family member, or even a work-related group. The update allows you to do this with any chat, so you have full control over which conversations need a little extra attention. After locating the chat, simply right-click on it. A small menu will appear with different options you can select. Among these, you'll see the new feature clearly listed. From the menu, choose Mark as Unread. As soon as you click on it, the chat will be highlighted with the familiar green dot, signaling that you have an unread message waiting. This does not remove or delete your previous messages, but rather serves as a visual reminder. It's perfect for those times when you've read something quickly, but want to come back later and respond properly. This small but powerful feature is especially useful if you're juggling multiple conversations throughout the day. Instead of relying on memory or sticky notes, you can easily create your own reminders directly inside WhatsApp. It helps keep your workflow smooth and ensures no important chats slip through the cracks. And that's all there is to it. Open WhatsApp, choose your chat, right-click, and mark it as unread. With just a couple of clicks, you can bring more organization to your messaging and never lose track of what requires your attention. Thanks for watching.